Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss gold, US dollar and euro. US dollar, I will be looking for the technical levels that we can trade in the rest of the week, especially tomorrow, because the intraday I will be looking that as well. So it's been a little bit of time since we haven't seen face to face, so I thought let's update the clients and the audiences as well. So tell me everyone, how is it going at your side? I hope you must be doing very well, and I also hope that you must have made good profits from this recent up wave on gold. So the whole wave started last Monday, and I will be looking into this right here. Even a planned setup is almost ready right here. Even I have discussed it yesterday as well. Today I will be quickly recalling some of those previous levels as well, and my overall opinion that I had yesterday about the market. First of all, right here we have a very nice support zone, and most of you may know that this is actually the my technique, that whenever I start my analysis I draw my support levels. Why I do that? So that I know that what is my trading limit, right? Now after doing this I now know that this is going to be a future support for me, and this is going to be so much important for me as well, this whole area for the future. Why it is so much important for me right here? Because we have got a double bottom pattern on the H4, and this pattern was not just an ordinary pattern. This pattern occurred after this whole downward rally, so we cannot say like we have got it right here. Maybe the trend wasn't so mature back then, so this time it was of big concern to me, and from right here I became bullish. Even before this I was almost bullish on gold US dollar. Now listen to the whole story and understand it, what actually happened. So even this pattern I will be making a video about it. This is like a $1 million pattern, if I should say, and whenever it occurs on a chart of gold, these this type of pattern followed by a 61.8% retracement, whenever it occur, 100% of the time it hits its take profit zones, right? And same was the case right here. We took it and we made a profit out of it. Now what's next? What I have discussed in the previous video, let's recall some of those levels as well. The first support I had, the resistance I had was this one. First find like this is a support, so it should have a pair, right? By the pair I mean if there is a support, there should be its own resistance. Keep that in that thing in mind. This is going to be a very golden rule for all of you. So this is now going to be my resistance zone, and now I'm so much clear enough that anything I am going to do, that I will be doing that in this whole zone. So here comes in then this particular story, because blindly obviously no one takes trades. First of all, we have got a break of structure right here. If you see, market exactly break into the structure, and it created, it even took a retest of it, and that level was almost like a reversal zone, and the reversal zone around Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. So just have a look at it. Now on the basis of that, this what I analyzed was that okay, if the market did this, I am going to do this. Most of you know I have shared with all of you. So, and currently market is towards that point 1935.58, around 1936 it shows me right here. Along with that, what else I said was that since on the even on the daily or on the H4, if we see and if we observe this level, it seems as if this is going to be broken to the top side. And at the moment, if we see, and even I have predicted it in the previous week on this weekend in the weekly forex forecast, I have discussed it in too much detail. So one is this right here, 1935. Now there was one other chance which I think may not be able to happen, and that was this resistance, a fake breakout. It was a fake out, then the break in, and now market is going back up. So since it is bullish, no doubt I will not like to enter a buy trade from right here. I can, right? But since the market is pointing towards 1935 now, there is one odd, and the chances of odd will be that without any reason suddenly the market will start to fail down towards 1899 and 1902 level, from where this whole story began right here, this whole story, and a new story will then form. And the new story will look something like this. Initially this will be our impulsive wave from right here. This will become at 61.8% retracement. Let me explain that very clearly to you. This will become 61, this will become A, B, C, and that's going to be the D. D will be right here. Let me do it precisely, and point D will be right here, pointing up towards 1939 it should, but let's see, around 1936 if we do it precisely, it will be showing this move. So the overall pattern and the overall stuff that's going on gold long term is clearly suggesting an up move towards 1937ish area, and the whole resistance level will almost start from right here. Let me do it precisely now, since we are discussing this zone, so I should clearly be discussing it. So right here between these wicks, right here and right here, it should be around like this, and this one I'm deleting for now. So this whole area will be then a resistance, and market will be trying to push towards it, and even it is trying right now. So this is so much possible that from right here I will be looking for at least some opportunities to the bottom side of the market. Time will decide that, but obviously I will be looking for a pullback, and after this pullback then I will be looking further for buy opportunities. This is one scenario I have discussed. Now there is another one, and that is going to be on the M15, and on the M15 I'm going to discuss that, but before that let's delete some of these lines. Okay, so on the M15, first of all, I don't recommend to trade below H1. So M15, let's leave that for now. On the H1, if we see, market has took multiple retests at the zone right here, and even a bounce of even a breakout, which then become a fake out, and now it is trying to go back up further. There will be on the intraday on the M15, since at this time we don't have any big fundamental activity, so that's why I want to show you that M15, there is one possibility of double top. I don't like that to form, And one other possibility of this 61.8 bounce back towards, uh, I will be looking that tomorrow in the London session, obviously. So this is pretty much about the gold US dollar. Now the euro US dollar, let me show you that as well. And we have yet just like in the weekly forex forecast video, what I discussed was that market is obviously now clearly going to go back up on the H4. I have discussed it. Let me delete everything and let me tell you, so that if you want to understand my method, it will be very easy for you. First of all, what happened right here is this whole story I want to cover. This sell story started from there, then it gave a breakout, and the same breakout level became resistance right here. So what after that was another level breakout and retest right here. You can see the next time it even didn't went back up for a retest, and we got a pattern something similar like this, I should say, like this and like this. Even if I copy paste it, and the bodies will still be below the zone. So now no doubt it is on the daily also showing a bullish sign, and it should retrace back as per the weekly analysis that I did. It should retrace back to 1.09512, but on the H4 I have to see where is the support with us. First of all, this is going to be now the support with us, right? And this support right here, if you see, there was one ABCD pattern. I hope you must have traded that as well from there towards right here. Remember everyone, whenever you trade with your full focus and when you are completely relaxed, your trading decisions are automatically very fantastic, right? And always try to wait for the market. So this ABCD pattern got completed, and even I want to take a buy trade right here on my other accounts. I will be taking a buy trade, but remember the trend has not yet broken, and I'm just purely relying on the dollar index these days, and a little bit of this dollar yen right here, if you can see, because it has also started to show its bearish waves, and there is still room for correction, but since that started its sell sign, so euro should be trying to go back further up. Let me tell you the level, and the level for a retest will be this one. Now here comes in a very interesting story, and that interesting story, let me tell you that. So till here I hope you must have understood, you must have understood this ABCD pattern. So what's next right after here is um, fresh bulls entered into the market right here, and what after that, from these fresh bulls, still we are not sure if these are strong enough or not. We will know that once they reach right here. Till that point we have to wait for them, and we have to see if they attack on the market. We are not going to take any sell trade. Why? Because I'm telling you that as well. I will be personally waiting for this bottom right here, and then I will be trying to take a trade. This will be the first scenario, or this will be one scenario, right? The second thing will be tomorrow, I mean today, the market will go back up, will start to give me sell signs, and I can take a little bit of around 20-30 pips of sell trade in this zone very easily and effortlessly. The market should be giving me these profits near these zones right here. And the ideal situation will be if I get a break above this zone, and then I get a retest, I get several consolidation zones right here. Usually these days markets are very fast, so even one candle or two candle will still be fine to look for that confirmation. and then I will be further looking for buy towards 1.09512 and similarly 1.10646, and maybe from right here I will be becoming, I'm saying it from now because I will be looking for some sell opportunities, but because this whole rally I covered it in the live streams and I was so much busy in those streams that I didn't get a chance to trade it to the bottom hand side. I'm just holding buy positions from there. So now this time I will be playing some of the trades on a sell side as well. At the moment I want to see this price action. If you see, each candle cannot close below the low of each other. Just have a look at it right here. See, and it is, but the volume no doubt is very slow, and at least they can push towards up there. So at this time, if someone wants to trade, let's see if how much pips of opportunity it will be. 32 pips opportunity it is, but I think wait for the market. Let's wait for the market to get some good confirmations, and after that we will be taking some buy positions. So I already consider myself in a buy trade, and I, right after the video I end, I will be taking one buy trade, and let's see what that gives me. So the volume is not very good, but I'm just relying on this daily candle. Let's see if it is correct. I will be making good profits. If it's wrong, then this is part of trading. I will pay very less stop loss. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Make sure to leave me a like and a comment in the comment section down below. I'm recording this at 3:40 a.m. for all of you, so that you guys can follow me and so that you can make good profits. Because you make profits, I become happy automatically. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.